The summer school this year is going to be particularly different. Consolidate on the online learning activities that were carried out during the shutdown of schools for our returning students, particularly those that have been recommended by their home teachers. A classical example of some of the activities for all DP1 students, it is mandatory for them. We hope to cover the core of the diploma curriculum framework, the EE, that's Extended Essay, and the Theory of Knowledge, the CAS, and most importantly, Introduction to Research Writing.
Donc c'est une mise à niveau pour elle. Sachez que j'apprécie beaucoup les cours que dispensent les professeurs. La méthode amène l'enfant à faire beaucoup de recherches personnelles, ce qui amène l'enfant à comprendre les cours aisément, sans toutefois faire beaucoup d'efforts. Et cela est très bien pour l'enfant.